Are you looking for the best smoker under $300 in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 6 best smoker under $300 that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 1, Dyna-Glo Body Vertical Charcoal Smoker. The Dyna-Glo Signature Series DGSS 1382 VCSD Heavy Duty Vertical Offset Charcoal Smoker is a great addition to any outdoor cooking arsenal. With 6 height-adjustable cooking grates and a porcelain enameled steel charcoal chamber, this smoker is designed to handle large quantities of food with ease. The vertical design of the smoker lends itself to naturally rising heat, achieving greater efficiency and improved smoke flavor. The offset design keeps direct heat away from the food, allowing for slow cooking. The smokestack features an adjustable flue for additional flavor and temperature control. The built-in stainless steel thermometer and easy-to-read gauge make it easy to achieve perfectly smoked foods. With a large cooking area and easy-to-use features, the Dyna-Glo Signature Series DGSS 1382 VCSD Heavy Duty Vertical Offset Charcoal Smoker is a great choice for any serious smoker. At number 2, Weber Mountain Charcoal Smoker. If you're looking for an easy-to-use smoker that will help you get great results, the Weber Smoky Mountain Cooker is a great option. Weber's 14-inch Smoky Mountain Cooker is a great way to get started smoking meats and other foods. The cooker is easy to assemble and comes with a cover to help protect it from the elements. The cooking grid dimensions are 13.5 x 13.5 inches, and the main grilling area is 143 square inches. The total grilling area is 286 square inches. The cooker reaches approximately 190 degrees Fahrenheit inside temperature. The 3D interactive assembly instructions for this product are available through the free Built app. At number 3, Z-Grill's Upgrade Pellet Smoker. The Z-Grill's Wood Pellet Grill is the perfect grill for those who want wood-smoked flavor without all the hassle. This pellet grill is easy to use, with a temperature range that makes it versatile enough to grill, smoke, bake, roast, sear, braise, barbecue, and char grill. The PID technology ensures consistent results, and the large-capacity pellet hopper means you won't have to refill constantly. The sturdy steel construction and high-temperature powder coating finish make the pellet grill long-lasting, so you can enjoy years of ultimate wood-fired grilling experience. At number 4, Masterbuilt Bluetooth Digital Electric Smoker. If you're looking for a high-quality smoker that is packed with features, the Oklahoma Joe's Longhorn Combo Smoker and Amp Grill is a great option. This smoker has Bluetooth smart technology that allows you to control temperature, lighting, monitor meat temperature, and power your smoker on or off. Additionally, it has 4 chrome-coated smoking racks, a patented side-wood chip loading system, and a built-in meat probe thermometer. Plus, the thermostat temperature control ensures even, consistent smoking. So, if you're looking for a top-of-the-line smoker that will make your cooking easier and more enjoyable, the Oklahoma Joe's Longhorn Combo Smoker and Amp Grill is a great option. At number 5, Dyna-Glo Wide Body LP Gas Smoker. The Dyna-Glo 4-burner gas smoker is a great smoker for those who want to smoke large amounts of food at once. This smoker has a total of 20,000 BTUs, which is plenty of power to get your food cooked evenly and quickly. The 4 adjustable cooking grates give you a total of 1,235 square inches of cooking space, which is plenty of room to cook for a large group of people. This smoker also comes with a custom-fit Dyna-Glo premium cover, which is a great way to protect your investment. You can use either charcoal or gas to fuel this grill, so you can choose the flavor you want. At number 6, Char-Broil The Big Easy Smoker. The Big Easy Smoker Roaster and Amp Grill is a versatile cooker that allows you to smoke, roast, and grill all in one. TRU-Infrared technology ensures that food is cooked evenly and juicy with no flare-ups, while the custom design makes it a perfect fit for Char-Broil's The Big Easy Smoker, Roaster and Amp Grill. The rugged heavy-duty gray PVC cover repels water, snow, wind, and assorted debris to keep your Big Easy safe and dry, and the internal woven polyester fabric inner lining protects the cooker exterior from scratches. So whether you're looking to smoke a turkey for Thanksgiving or grill up some burgers for a summer cookout, the Big Easy Smoker Roaster and Amp Grill is the perfect choice. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, Please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.